Aloha everyone, today is Sunday and we are here to celebrate a very special birthday. It is special because the birthday girl, she is all the way in New York, and even though we haven't met her in person, her sister, our dear friend Nodi, made this beautiful event happen. It's so heartwarming to see this sisterly love, right? However, so many foods were there and it was super tasty, awesome people, and so much fun together. This is all from today's Sunday. See you all in the next video. Again, happy birthday Tahia, and have a wonderful Sunday everyone.